Let's take a look at Gamma exercise 4.08, question 33. So I've got 6 on x minus 1 plus 5 divided by x minus 2. Now there's a whole bunch of ways you can actually do this. You could actually just add them together, in fact, using just plain algebra. But the question really calls for cross multiplication. And by the way, you could just cross multiply them right now on the same side. But the cross multiplication we've been learning requires one of them to be on the other side. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll restate the problem. So I've got 6 on x minus 1 over 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. And I'm going to move all this across to the other side. I'm going to go subtract 5 on x minus 2 from both sides, 5 on x minus 2. So in other words, this thing here, I'm removing from one side and placing the whole thing on the other. So now I've got 6 over x minus 1 is equal to negative 5 over x minus 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. So 6 times this is going to be 6x, whoops, you can't see that, 6 minus 2, that's easy to see, and this is going to be negative 5 times x minus 1. Oops, I've got 2 minuses there. It's negative 5 times. I'm jumping ahead of myself here. All right, so that's what we've got, so multiply that by that to get this. All right, so 6 times x is 6x, 6 times negative 2 is minus 12. That's equal to negative 5x. And this is negative 5 times negative 1 is plus 5. All right. So now we're going to get the unknowns on the same side. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add, what have I got here? I'm going to add 5x to both sides. So plus 5x plus 5x. 5x minus 5x is 0. 6x and 5x is going to be, what have we got here? 6x and 5x is going to be 11x. So I've got 11x minus 12 is equal to, what have I got here? Positive 5, yeah. So now I'm going to get rid of this negative 12 on both sides. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides, add 12 to both sides. There it is, negative 12. And 12 and negative 12, of course, is 0. 11x equals 5, and I've got 5 and 12, which is 17. Now what I'm going to do is divide both sides by 11. There it is, leaving me with x is 17 on 11. And that is one of a number of different ways you could actually solve that.